Hello friends, this is Shuprio. Welcome to my channel SK Aquaspace. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how I have created an organic liquid fertilizer. Now, there are several chemical fertilizers available in the market, but if you use them in your kitchen garden for growing vegetables, then it will be harmful for your health. So it is better to use organic fertilizer, and as well as it is very easy to prepare them yourself. I will create the organic fertilizer using potato and a ripe banana. Potato juice is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium, which is very good for the plants. And ripe banana contains lot of potassium, which is also very useful for the plant. We need to chop the potatoes and the banana into smaller pieces. I am going to use three big potato and one ripe banana. Then I will put all of them together in a mixing machine. Now we got a very nice paste of potato and ripe banana. Now I have taken a small bucket which can hold around 10 liters of water, and I will add the mixture in the water and stir it well. Now I will keep this for 2 days and 2 nights. Now after 24 hours, open the lid and stir it well, and then once again let it be there for another 24 hours. Now, after 48 hours, it is ready to be used, and we have to stir it well once again, and then we will filter out the water. We will leave behind the suspended particles because we don't want to add it in the plant, because that will those will attract insects and pests. So remember to filter out the solution, because if we put the suspended particles, then it will attract lot of paste, and that will be harmful for the plants. Now I will dilute it with 50% of water. I have taken a bottle half filled with water, and then I will pour the liquid fertilizer in it. Now the liquid organic fertilizer is ready to be used. I am using them in my indoor plants. I will add them in my mini pond as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.